Here's a really great side hustle that even an 11-year-old can do. And the best part is, you don't have to spend any money to set it up, and you can earn passive income. Let's go to Pinterest.com and create a free business account. Now with your free account, you're going to want to click on ads and go down to the trend search section. Now in the Pinterest trend search section, you can put in any keyword you want. For this example, I'm going to put in t-shirt. Look at the search volume trend over time and identify which one you want to go with. Next, head on over to Canva and create a simple design. Then head over to Printful.com, find a t-shirt you like and upload your design. Next, head on over to Etsy.com and create a free account. Now head back to Printful and connect your Etsy store. Now every time you get an order, Etsy will send it to Printful, they'll print it, send it to your customer, and you don't have to do anything. All you have to do is make a simple listing like this. And if they've done almost 140,000 sales at $12.99 a pop, that's over $1.75 million in sales. And like I said, this is all automated. If you want to know my favorite side hustle, don't forget to follow me now and check out my profile link.